Hello everyone. So in this video, we'll look how we can see how we can perform email footprinting. So we know the five phases of ethical hacking. So the first phase is reconnaissance. So reconnaissance is the greater part, and footprinting is one of the subpart of reconnaissance. So here we are trying to gather relevant information regarding the target. Uh, so let's see how we can collect information or email IDs of the victim or the target. So let's take some sample website. Let's say this is my website and this is my web application, web page. So I want to collect all the email IDs from this website. So for that, I'll be scraping the data using a Python beautiful soup scraper and trying to find all the emails in that web page. So this is my scraper, email scraper. So let me just open a terminal. So let's understand which all libraries are used and what is the logic behind finding the email IDs. Yeah, so this is my logic. So here I'll be using a beautiful soup library and using the request module to fetch all the different pages in a website. So the input will be a target. So it will be a string. Then it's going to go through different pages. So it's going to go through 100 different pages and basically using regular expression, it's going to find the corresponding pattern. So we all know email IDs is made up of a certain pattern. So xyz@gmail.com. So there'll be at the rate always. Then there'll be some kind of alphanumerical characters before at the rate and after at the rate. So we're using that logic to find all the relevant emails. So let's launch this. So to execute this, I'll just say Python 3 email scraper.py. So this is a Python file. So the input to this Python file will be a simple string, which is in our case, we had taken this web page. So this cftlearn.com, you can use anything. So let me just paste the link, hit on enter. So now what this scraper does is, it will process through all the different subpages present in that main URL. So we know there is a different subpages. Maybe there is users page, admission page, service page. So it's going through all the different pages. So let me just launch it again. Let's just refresh this page. Hope it's working. All right, so let's look at some other page. So here I just have a Wikipedia page. So it's about artificial intelligence. So let's pass this web page. So copying this, just launching this scraper tool once more by just saying Python 3 email scraper.py. And I'll just pass the URL link. Yeah, now you can see this URL or this parser is going through different page paths. AI, body content, main page, contents, random, introduction page. So it is going to find, so it's basically going to scrape the entire page and finds if there is any match in patterns which are resembling emails. So like this, you don't have to go through each and every page. You can just use a simple web scraper to get all the emails present in that web page. So let it run. We have many pages in that. So this will run till 100 pages. So let me just stop this by hitting on Control C. So you can see these are the three emails which it fetched from this main website, uh, Wikipedia website. So like this, you can build a simple scraper tool which will gather all the relevant email footprintings done. So this is the end of email footprinting. Thank you.